Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to download and install Roblox on Windows. So first of all, go to the Microsoft Store. The steps are same for the Windows 11 operating system as well. So after you go to the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox. And in here you can see this Roblox app. So click on it. And in here click install. So it will download and install Roblox into your PC. So let's wait some time. So as you can see, now it installed. Click on play. So now you have to sign in to your Roblox account. So I have already created the Roblox account. So if you don't know how to create a Roblox account, check out the video in the description. So you can create account using this option. If you want to sign in to the account you previously created, click on sign in, and here you have to enter your username. So I copy and paste my username, and here you have to type your password. So let me copy and paste my password here and click sign in. So now you have to complete the verification to verify you are a human. So click on start verification. Okay, now it's verified. Now you can see I logged into the Roblox account. So now if you want to play the Roblox, click on game here and you can start playing. For example, this game. You can see I can play my game. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.